Yeah, so try it on. Let's try it on. I'll get pictures of all of these outfits. Yeah, I want to see how they look. Oh, Lana, look how pretty. How pretty. Oh, can you? Let me see. Boo boo, we got some afterbite for that. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. Papa. Alana's modeling. Oh.
What have you got on? New dress?
Yes. Come here, Lana. Let's try this so Papa can see this. Yay! Go sit down, please. Sit down over there. Ow! Come here, Lana. Let's try this on. How pretty. Come here. Come here. Want to try on Minnie? Yeah. Minnie Mouse.
Yes.
Come here.
And
Okay. Come on. Here. There you go. Oh, yay, Alana, so pretty. Put the pants on. Oh, Minnie Mouse.
Yes.
Or go see the Tinker Mouse. Or Tinker Mouse.
Tinkerbell Mouse.
Tinker Mouse.
Get me some shoes.
Hey. Come on. Hey, man, you gotta put it in the hole. Can't push it in the hole.
Wow. Look at the waist on those.
Oh, looky. Come here. Looky, Papa. Who's this? Who is this? Who is it? Who is it? Minnie Mouse?
Hold the shirt up a little bit.
Huh?
Hold the shirt up a little bit.
It's fine.
Huh?
Who is it? Yeah, that's my Minnie Mouse. Come here. Oh, how pretty. Try this one on? Yes. Yes. Okay. Here.
You hurt tonight?
Yeah. Come on, help me. Come here. Yay, Lana. Come on. Oh, boy. Oh. There. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. I need to be able to take a video. How pretty. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, looky there, Papa. Look at that one. Oh, how pretty.
Yes,
Alana, look at Caitlin. Look at Caitlin. They hot? How pretty. And she gonna wear this dress to church tomorrow. Let's see how this dress. Come here.
Is that many too? Is that many too?
Oh, you gotta get these pants off before we do anything else. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, oh,
I'll be better jammies on.
come here.
Oh, never mind.
Come here. Oh boy. Oops. Oh, there you go. There you go. Pretty. Look. Show Caitlin. Show Caitlin. No, just don't have pants. See?
Oh, that is pretty.
Look how pretty. Look at her new shoes. I've got new shoes. Pretty shoes. Oh,
What you got? What kind of shoes you got? Are those mini shoes too?
Yeah. No.
No. Go show him.
I've seen them.
Yes.
Those are the same ones you had.
Look, Alana.
Here.
Come here, Alana.
Get it?
I heard got new socks. I got new socks.
Got new socks.
I got new
Where'd
socks.
you get all that stuff? Those things and stuff.
I got new socks.
Oh, and new Tinkerbell shoes.
New socks.
Those are pretty.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think with the mom.
Oh yeah? You can wear them tomorrow?
What's that?
Tinkerbell.
A lunchbox?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a lunchbox. She's trying to put it up on her shoulder.
She thinks it's a purse, I guess.
It's a lunch.